Hello guys, this is Alex again, and this is a quick video on the Mercedes Vito. So I'm doing the window regulator. The motor is still working, you can hear it going up and down, but the cable has broken. So I'm gonna show you quick what you need to do, how to get to it. So first you take this cover off your handle, and you're gonna have two screws in there, which are them, Torx one. And you're gonna have three little Phillips screws under there. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna have one Torx on the side. So once you remove them, you need to get a plastic tool behind it. And obviously, like with most of the covers, you need to pull it off, because all you got is little clips holding it in. Afterwards, you're gonna need to remove the door cable, which unclips from this plastic, and then you just pull it up and disconnect your speaker and disconnect your window control console. And then you need to remove all this stuff. It's all glued on with silicone, so just slowly get your fingers in there and start pulling it off. It takes a bit of time. Then you're gonna have 3 Phillips screws holding the cable in place on the motor, so remove that. Then you're gonna need to remove or undo, loosen up the 10mm nuts, and then get the window up manually, like you can see there, and get a tool to jam it up, because it needs to stay all the way up. Then you need to remove 10mm there, 10mm there, 10mm there, and 10mm there. To remove the whole lot, it comes out through this bit, it will come off, and that's the new one. Euro car parts sell them. It comes with the new thing. Just make sure it is going to be the right one. They usually come with quite a lot of holes in them. You only need 3. So it comes with the new bolts and screws as well. As you can see, this one hasn't got a nut. Go for that one. And same one here. There you go. You need to loosen them up, because that's where the window gonna go. I would suggest to put a bit of grease on there, just a little bit of rubber grease, so not just ordinary grease, because ordinary grease will make it quite easy to come off. So just put rubber grease, it will hold it quite well in there. And the other thing I do, I always put normal grease on the cable, all around the cable, so it runs quite well all around the corners. Grease everywhere, just normal ordinary grease, so they're going to be sliding well, and a bit in there. You can see it has got a little bit in there, but you need more just to make it easier. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is quite a common problem, I've done a lot of them, so hopefully this will help you. And just stay safe and make sure everything works before you put the cover back on. Just bolt it on and then try the switch up and down on the driver's side, and that should be it, guys. Alright, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like my videos, comment below, and I'll be able to help you with as much as I can. So have a good day, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.